For all of us, chest wrinkles can be one of the hardest parts of the body to treat, and there are very little skincare or even in-clinic treatment options available that can smooth your décolletage the way our chest smoothing kit can. It's so easy. The first thing is to start with clean, dry skin. So no creams, serums, moisturizers or toners. This is really important because they can interfere with the adhesive and stop the silicone pads from sticking. Inside the pack, you'll find one silicone chest pad and a storage sheet. To reveal the sticky adhesive side, peel off the plastic film and this can be thrown away. Simply stick the pad with the adhesive side down, covering the area where your lines and wrinkles are. And if you do crease the skin, simply lift up the pad, stretch out the skin and stick it back down. And this applies if there's any air bubbles also. Now Wrinkles Schminkles goes to work. It keeps the skin taut so it helps prevent the skin from creasing and the wrinkles can't form while you sleep. At the same time, the properties of the medical grade silicone itself are working with the skin to help draw up moisture, hydration and blood flow to the skin surface. This can help stimulate collagen. In the morning, gently peel off the silicone pad like this and store it face down on the storage sheet included. Even after just one use, you can see a smoother and more wrinkle-free chest, and results are even better over time. It's easy and it's effective. Wrinkles Schminkles works its magic while you get your beauty sleep.